Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable subscription tracking with Truebill alternative, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable subscription tracking with a Truebill alternative, start by selecting a suitable app or service for this purpose. Research various options and read user reviews to find an app that meets your needs. Once you've chosen an app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your device and open it. Create an account by providing the required information, which may include your email address and a password. Some apps may offer a free trial or require payment, so choose the option that works best for you. After account creation, navigate to the subscription tracking feature within the app. This may be labeled as subscriptions, tracking, or something similar. Grant the app permission to access your financial information, as this will allow it to automatically identify your subscriptions. To do this, you might need to connect your bank account or input your card details securely. Once your financial information is linked, the app will begin scanning your transactions for subscription charges. Review the list of subscriptions identified by the app to ensure accuracy. If any subscriptions are missing, you can typically add them manually. Look for an option labeled Add Subscription or Manual Entry within the Subscriptions section. Input the necessary details such as the service name, payment amount, and billing date. After adding your subscriptions, explore the app for additional features that can help you manage them better. These may include reminders for upcoming payments and tools to help you cancel unwanted subscriptions. Regularly check your subscription list and make adjustments as necessary to stay on top of your finances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.